Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here because today is Stitch Fix Day. Welcome everyone and thanks for watching. For those of you who have not watched me before, I am a stylist for Stitch Fix, and I did these videos before I was a stylist when I was a customer. I've continued to do them because I love to see how the clothes look on other people, and so I want to do the same for those who are watching. So I'm going to open this fix and then I will so here we go. So, I got some extras this time, and I think these are just socks. So these are the things that you can order along with your fix. They're not part of your fix, but I got some socks, which I desperately need because in this house, everyone steals socks, literally. Like I will have, I think these are 3 pairs. Yeah, these will be gone in 2 days. Someone will steal them from me. Okay, envelope, the stylist card. Oh, hello. I wrote myself a nice note, which I will read to myself later. Full of happiness and joy. Okay, so this fix, just so you know, I think it's a very big box and it's heavy because I sent myself a few different coats. So let's see what I got. Little bundle. Oh, okay. So the first item that I got was this lightning bolt shirt. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's just a kind of lightweight pullover. It's like a brush knit. It's not heavy, but it's not like super thin, although you can see that it's a little bit see-through. So this is a size small, and I was hoping that it might be a little bit bigger. Like I wanted to be able to wear it with leggings, and I don't know. We'll see. I'll try this one on. This was one that I wasn't quite sure about, but thought it would be fun to try. So that's that one. The next thing in here is something that I am sending myself to try to push myself outside of my comfort zone. So these are not something I normally would have picked out, although I kind of like the look on some people. So anyway, these, first of all, I said I hated straight leg pants. So I just sent myself a pair of straight leg pants. But these are, oh, I didn't even say what the name brand of that was. I will make sure that we have all the names of everything. These are the Margaret M. Sylvie woven straight leg pant. These are like a pull-on, the stretch, and they have the straight leg. Again, they're pretty stretchy feeling, and then the back has these pockets, which I don't love. But again, the reason I wanted to try these, first of all, I know this plaid is kind of in this fall, and again, I wanted to go outside of my comfort zone, but I don't have as many, sorry about that, that's my phone. I don't have as many pants for work anymore because I work at home now for both of my jobs. So, but once in a while you do have to go in. So anyway, I'm gonna try these. Okay, next. Okay, this is one of the fun ones. This is a jacket by VERO. This is a Iliana faux leather jacket and faux fur jacket, and it's so cozy and fun. And my only concern is I think these might run a little bit big, so we'll see how this is. Also, I don't own a faux fur coat, and nor have I that I can remember, so this again is another one push me outside my comfort zone. But of course I do love that color, and you guys have seen I love olive. Okay, that was this one. Watson hates the sound of the paper. It's okay, buddy. Yeah, okay. One more. Okay, so here is another. This is a coat I actually pinned and asked for. So this is called the Bagatelle Aurora Faux Leather Detail wool coat. So this is a longer, I don't know if you guys can see how long this is. It's like would probably hit me about mid-calf. It's made out of wool, and it has these like leather details, and I feel like it looks like the Matrix. I think this could look really cool. So I'm excited to try this on because, again, kind of for the same reason as the black and white pants, I don't have as many dressy options anymore, and I noticed that I need them. Okay, last but not least, I'm looking for a really good black faux moto jacket. I've been looking for a really good black faux leather moto jacket, and I like the length of this one. See the back, it just has that little detail. Let's see. It has the zipper on this side, and then it has this little pocket, so I'm not entirely sure. Just a pocket on one side. But anyway, I'm gonna try this one on. Sorry. Okay. All right, so that's everything. So, like I said, it's gonna be a little interesting with 3 coats, but I'm excited to try them on, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's see, what do you think? All right, so this is that Chaser graphic tee with the lightning bolts on it, my Harry Potter shirt. And again, it's just made out of this kind of brush knit fabric, just a straight, solid, and I really like it. I wanted to get a shirt, something like this, again, because I work from home, and this is I can answer the door without feeling horribly embarrassed, which you should see some of the things I have worn. But anyway, I do like this. My only thing is I think that I might size up. This is a size small, and it's fine, but I actually would like it just a little roomier. I just like it a little bit longer. So I think I might size up on this one. So let me know what you guys think of it. So, but I do like this, and I'm likely gonna keep it, and I will share the prices at the end. The next, this jacket is so funny. Okay, this jacket is so cozy. This is a size small, so you can see it. This is that kind of faux fur jacket. I will snap it for you. This is so comfortable. I have to say that I like it even better than I thought I would. I thought it would look even bulkier, which it kind of does. And again, this is a size small. So you see it's kind of bulky. It's kind of funny. I just threw it on over what I had. I'm not sure exactly what I'd wear it with. But I'm kind of thinking I might want to size down in this jacket. This one is a small, and I think I could possibly use an extra small. You might be able to see this better if I had it on with a white t-shirt underneath it. So I don't know how well you're seeing this, but it is so soft and cozy, and it's so warm. And I'm sorry, buddy. Are you okay, Watts? Yeah. We're all good? Okay. So anyway, like, it's so warm as I have it on, and I've told you many times I'm always cold, and it is ridiculously cold in Minnesota this year. So anyway, here's this jacket. Let me know what you think. Very likely gonna keep it, but I'm thinking I could size down. I think there's a little bit of room. Super cozy. You guys might want to try it. Okay, Watson, why must you sit right where I need to be? Okay, so these are the plaid pants. Like I said, they're made by Margaret M, and they are a straight leg pant. They hit me right at the ankle, and when I was in my closet, so I don't have a mirror in there, which I do need one, but I can tell that these shoes, or excuse me, these pants look best with like a heeled shoe or something like this where there's like an open space at the bottom, because otherwise I don't like straight leg. So anyway, let me just show you how they fit. They're just a basic pull-up pant. I also will say that there seems to be like just a little extra material, like, I hope you guys, yeah, you can kind of see that right around the leg area here. So it's just kind of, I like them. I actually like them at first. I don't know. It's hard for me to get used to them. They're just a little different, but I do think I like them. And I actually think that I'm going to throw on that black leather moto jacket over these. So just one second. Okay, Watson. Here it is with the moto jacket. So you can see, Watsy, can you move just a little bit, like to the left? Can you go just a little bit? Come here. Come here, Watson. Come here. Can you lay down here? Come on, Watson. 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 Can you lay over here? Come here. Watson, I know that you know where I am. Can you lay down right here? We're having a little game of ignore. Do you think that you could lay down in this general area? Would that work for you? Okay, so at any rate, I can now stand in my place so that you can see this look. This is the look. I don't know if we're starting over, but I'm going to pretend. Okay, so here it is with the black leather moto jacket, and you can see I have my trusty rusty long sleeve white t-shirt on, which is what I wear so frequently during the winter. But again, I like the pants, and I love this jacket. It's actually fitted just about right. I could, again, this is a size small. I could potentially go up a size, but I do like the fit. And so you can see it has that little cross in the back, and it is like a shorter, so I'll show you. You can see my, yeah, it's not my best. But you can just see like the length of the coat. So it's nice to have a little bit of a t-shirt or something hanging out below. And obviously you can just leave it open. So yeah, I really like this look, and I do like these pants, and I love this jacket. So again, here we go. You can see a little pocket. Yeah, so I like this a lot. Okay, so this is the Matrix coat, and I'm like trying to make sure that I've got this all right. So here it is, and this is so cool. So you can see like the leather things here, and then there's these little leather patches here, and I'm trying to figure out exactly how I like this coat to go. So just, I'm sorry for doing this. I could not see it in my closet. Okay, I don't know if this is exact, but you can do like all sorts of things with the neckline of this coat, and I don't know how well this is like, if you're able to see it, because to me it just looks like a big black blob. But I love this coat. Like, I feel like it's, yeah, I feel a little bit like a secret agent man, maybe, yeah. Also, the one thing I will say that I am not entirely happy about, and I keep trying so hard, but there's no pockets. I mean, there's a place for a pocket, and my thumb is now stuck. Okay, so I'm gonna come back, sit down, and we'll go through it. Thanks so much for watching. And sorry. Okay, guys, so here is the price sheet. I have a couple of the items of clothing on right now. So Watson made it through most of it, and he was a very good boy this time. We didn't have a lot of interruptions. He's always a good boy. He just likes my full and complete attention 100% of the time, all day, every day. Okay. So the first item that we will go through, I guess, is these pants, the Margaret M. Sylvie woven straight leg pant in black, $98. Yeah, good taste. I don't know. Like I said, I know I need pants, and frankly, I don't get out and shop enough, and so I'm probably going to keep these. It's very likely I'm going to keep these pants. So again, $98, but I'll have a little bit of a discount. And then the next thing is this collarless faux leather jacket that I have on, also $98. I love this jacket, and I'm going to keep it. So again, this is a for sure. Both the pants and this jacket. And then the next thing is the Bagatelle Aurora faux leather detail wool coat. That is this one. That is attracting a little bit of lint, so I'll need to have my lint brush if I do keep this. So this is the long coat that I showed you guys. It's a nice heavy weight, and I do love the kind of details on it. So, of course, you know, I ordered 3 coats in this fix thinking maybe I might keep 1 or 2, but it's the season to buy a coat or a jacket, right? Of course it is. Okay, so we'll think about that. Now, what was the price of that one? Did I even say? That one is $138. I knew it would be. It's a wool jacket. It feels like a nice wool jacket. I would love your opinion on this one, because I'm going to probably be trying to decide between this one and the last item, or wait, the second to last item, which is this faux fur jacket. I have to learn how to say, I think it's VERO MODA, but hopefully it's not pronounced differently. I love this coat. It's so fun. It's so cozy. And I think I am going to try to exchange it for a size smaller just because it's pretty roomy. But again, I would love your feedback on those two coats. Yeah, I know, it's kind of puffy sleeves here, I'm not sure. I have to think all of this over, obviously, but this is what I'm thinking. So the last item is this Chaser Daisy Scoop Neck Cozy Knit Top in dark gray. This one is $58. I do like it. It's kind of a cool print and fabric. 58 is a little bit spendy for this, but I'm probably not going to find it anywhere else. And again, back to the fact that I don't go shopping. So I think I might keep that one, but I would love you guys' feedback or your feedback on all these jackets and which ones you would keep. So thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it. And again, if you have any questions, I know we try to do some lighting in this video and I personally don't see any difference. So I am not a professional YouTube video shooter. In fact, I am the most basic YouTube video shooter. So I'm trying hard to talk a little bit louder also because I know people have said they can't hear me. So continue to give me feedback, but I love you guys for watching, for listening, and I hope you guys all have a great night. And Watson and I are gonna head out and go get a TREAT. Thanks so much. Have a good one, guys. Bye.